AgriLife internship in Stephenville, Texas. This is Grace Lewallen. Testing soil for carbon. And these are my soil samples, and I added water and a solution to them. Then I shook for 2 minutes on a shaker. Then I set in the dark for 10 minutes. Next, I prepared my dilutions with 49.5 milliliters of water. Here's a video of me making my dilutions and taking 2 milliliters from the concentrate and making the dilutions. This is the most fun part in my opinion. I really enjoyed getting to use the pipettes. Here are my finished dilutions, and these are the ones that I'll be testing in the next machine. This machine shines a light through and tests the intensity of the color, which therefore shows how much carbon was in the soil. And the last step is just tossing the waste. And then testing forages for digestibility. So here I have my samples, and they are in just paper bags that are sealed. And then I put them on this tray that will go in the machine. And then I put them in the machine with a weight on top so it doesn't move since it'll be agitating. And then I get an ADF or an NDF solution, which was already pre-made. And then I pour into the machine. And then I'll go ahead and close it and turn on heat and agitate, and it'll go for about an hour. And then after that, I take it out and I put in acetone for 15 minutes. And then I let it dry on a pan. And then I let it dry completely in the oven for 2 hours. After that, I take it out and I weigh it, and then I record my data, and then that is how we know how much is digestible. Planting native grasses in Lubbock. So this is for a grad student, and this was all the plants that she planted. And then we took them there in the field. We had to flag off and then put out the plants. And here's a picture of me planting one of the plants just about 4 inches deep. And then here's our final product, all of the native grasses planted. Next, collecting soil samples. So we actually did this in Temple, Texas, and this is the cornfields that were already taking the corn samples off of, and they dug holes, and then we put them in buckets, chopped it up, put it in the sample bags, and then here's our finished sample bags. That's my video for my internship at AgriLife in Stephenville, Texas. Thank you so much for watching.